because a bad ni bad before bass on you. Penimu, and who is Asante? Who is he a king since we become bitterness? And Asante, he's not king. I have been telling Ghanaians. Papa Penimu to some. What time are the Gary? What time are the sorry? And you brain out the two. What time are the home? What time are the babajum? What time are the casa? What time are the I draw nipple here. Nankuraka was a year trouble a tenacity. Nanka, ye bia, a ye, a fan say, yes, ye moon, ye quaffy, na quaffy, I can't make. Dormaahene, ya quaffy on Jacanibia, or any bra. Naba bomb or bushia, and what the man would do quaffy, mania fe, can ya fe, a jimabedu, can ya fe. He pub bonnet 70. Better not want to pop and move a teacher nipum. Abra wouldn't sadia, what can I throw, and I done would add any pa. Now we are canny, now ma, Ajima bedu misleadua. Why am Quasia de pa, what it? Busawana nanum, coffee, and Nashishim, the Busababy of Fiddy. Obi, I again any. Almost yes, no court doma, lack of sanity, and lack of nyansanti, obiala yebiana ni wo. Why does it happen? That Benny be see. If you walk one hour more conocra, obi so a man proceed, obi so kusasini. Huh? And your other tribes are more. Boko doma, almost so many yebiana for because of stupid leadership. And Panina omoya stupidity. At immediate sham could say, Ebiana woja. So the children do not know their biological background and their lineage. So better want here, and Ebiana woja, and Ebiana kundaba penny, Jimmy some na de ache, na wiabo, na de ache, na wiabo, oh chena uncana nun tie. Uncana nun what tie. And yet your baby obetie. So Diana for your movie. I had no movie. Only a harm for. Ti obi ye Dormaahene wonu atimi kase menua nukumawu ba wo pa che se kumawu ni Asante ni ndi ono ye tietia be doma na ono no se so ebuni tribe exist wo wi aseda na ye kuro na ba ye ono che so ebunu ni chonde owa ah wasaji tum se boma so omo ye abusua waji tum se akomu waji tum se tepa agogo waji tum se nkuro bebrebe wo egu Asante mem nya suminya waji tum se omu nyina ni moja beto omu de omu otia no no wa suenyansan with your brain because brain cannot be republished. We just enable the brain to work. Ebiana wo nyina nana enum no woko Asante mem tepa agogo woko Asante memu efe ne sei ekumawu no mu nkura ho nyina oye biana ni busanza ona nana no ha obeka se me nana no bi ene abrewa musu abrewa sementi aboa bono nyankopon ene abrewa bono me nana bi ne ekusi adi akon sanso na Dormaahene so beka akere wo esa so mu nyina afiri abusua baakum afiri nana baako yafunu mu ne baale etisua ade efa ne wisdom wo share wisdom na beboa wo ama wo sua nyansa itadidi atemi wo ha wo metena ho nidi because didi ya odidi wona nanu atem obisimi ya chimini ana ya chemfo de wo kasa chimini Asante ana bi Asante na ye di ni bra Asante ni ye din o ye din. Where is your town located? Huh? We want where your forefathers comes from. Wona nanu mo na omo de wo ba ye no na wo ye nipa no. Where did they come from? Achime bo akwani nya Asante no ye di ni. Achim enye tribe ayamu na mo ye ne sa na mo chocho mo ne magu internet so achim nye tribe anya tribe achim ye kuro ya wo free e kuro bim eti achim bo akwa wonya Asante ni wo ye die ni. What is going on? Why dey na ekoso achim ni bi o ya sunani no achim bo akwa ni bi o ya sunani achim bo akwa fo de sia o me ya sunafo onu nyina afiri adanse kokobiante ene akurufuo wonu free adanse kokobiante ne akurufuo ohonum no no free abro doko a na abro kuntum kunkunum For no ye hold on free. At you call you a bit to say, a ho, young folk. Nana ba, Nana pussy ma, never fat any kuntum kununku. Atimabu apahene. Yes, I've been no tea a croy, a friend, a cucurun to me. A honum and one free and Margaret Bar. It's one idea. One no young folk, yeah, I have no Asante into a theatre. But name me any more Janua. A yet Atimabuakan, no equal woman in Mojaba, 1 year, or friend who saw Atimabuakani, Toy Atimini, a tondo attention. Repair your brain. All of you. More Ghana for. I don't know account for be. You need to repair your brains. And I stand for intent for and now I can't afford no macan, Moko first and for no better die. Huh? Dutch for buying. First, Portugal for and a Portuguese no bar. And there, baby a friend Hagani. 1400 on Bato Yin Guan for na or start up na guan for Guan and that a Ponano. Nana amankwa abreso. Nana amankwa abreso. Sabe no ye futu hene. Ana ayi na obi okwa hama no. Efe na nagwa. Okwa ha no okwa opo na no ho. Ana okwa hu se hyen no. Esinsuo ni so ba. Ti guafo nko a. Guafo nko a na di kan hu no kwasi broni first. Akani ben wo so hu akwasi broni first. Yeah, ne, ubehu nua kani a ofre ne bokam fantini a. O se aye fantefo. Ya ubehu so ofri man kasim, ofri no mabo, ofri sotpon, ofri Cape Coast. No kase, ya fantefo. Wo fri Asante memu ene hai ho na mu nyina mu firi. Adanse, ho na mu nyina mu firi. Ene tie fo bokam fantino. Because you are not indigenous to that land. O pasasi apre ho a, bese ko kwa amai. Na mmesiri ko twa bodom wo na ba bi afre hobono no na mmesiri ko dwabe na mampo na mkopre mo nsase ho because na bufi. So the same people will sit on a screen and divide people. And I am fantifode and they show santifu ya and yam fantifo na quote unquote. Most of them are very very good and they are willing to support their brothers Asantes. But some of them have grown bitterness. Having the same ideology as Asante for Mubia. Now, so Nanum see Asante for Nibia, and then almost Omuzu Mubia. So Nanum, no Margaret be Margaret free qua my, yeah, the way Kumasa or me at the Senafo. Omufimensia. Woman almost quiet no Muko Echo Kutia was a four Mukutia Guan for no. Woman is Abuagiri, ever year, Mankasim, almost Omu wine. It is not the same brought. Ah? And you moja one. Go for the Kwamudi can bear Ghana no. You are better as I see you so. Woman in the patemo. Woman cremu superiority over anybody. Woman cremu, you say a PSC, they don't even talk. Obeti will be or Queenie. No cremu say I can't PC. In what come I did a free survive. Huh? Okwa can't be do what them. One for. Yes, I be thank to God. Aye yenko nyankopon say ene the indigenous father of the land. Most of them, about 50% of them are messed up with a can. So most of them are canned by marriage and a lot of things are messy and no together. Now so in the fact findings, no, omudi can who no first. Not any of the can people. I can't be a white my first. They were there 1400. Yes, I say Margaret 1700. They call Ponano. As we meet him, Cassam 24. 1200 or Margaret from bromance. What kind of lies? What is the bromance will be Margaret from there? Was that a kingdom? Or was that a town established by the Diana people and later conquered by the Arikwa people? Yeah. We should be very mindful with our words. Because you're not be by. We need to think and say, I can't people need to unite. So when you are watching it, you are not willing because of so Asante for too much. Because your brain was your mind. Every people are not a typical Asante than me. Because we have a lot of people Yet these people classify themselves and I Fanteful and a yearful and a yearful. Giving gratitude to what you are not. Chadana would you attempt instead of learning who you are? Would you attempt knowing who you are? It could be possible so would do an matter. Your own direct descendant and I'll do a matter. So what is the use of letting people influence your knowledge? And Asante, Asante, who are the Asantes? Me Asantini. Am I not part of the lineage? Me Aguni. 2% of children say, "Me fast campaign for danger." Do you think I'm stupid? Because I know my lineage, so I will not do that. Not in any conditions. Do you think I'm useless? I won't do that. Because thanks to God, me lineage. Meaning baby I'm a not me one fear because they are my family. But because you are very daft, no man who quite to be influenced by the political demarcation. And you don't even know who your families are. You describe yourself whatever you want. And I'm your henny and I'm a free ha. Twisted histories and I'm okay. Who are your ancestors? Where did they migrate from? People was insulting me. It was a question somebody just wrote under my comment section. Say, where are from the people of Azim? And I'm saying, one free Kumasi Bompata. One way Asante for. Look at the bashing people was given to me. And now, what Kevin Smart as Kevin Taylor. Just yesterday, I went to a platform. I want a guy there who said he's from Azim. And one Azim people and I'm saying, go back to your ancestors and ask them where they come from. They are all Asantes. They migrated from Bompata. Most of them also migrated from Asumija Santamaso, especially those who describe themselves as Chiabra before. You were here bragging. And later when somebody sent me this video, said, my sister, you are not lying. What you said was confirmed. Captain Smart as a Captain Wang. Ekwazim and penning for her. And one more catch said they migrated from Asante, Bompata, and other thing. So what you are saying wasn't wrong. As one Azim ni patch and say, or one casoya hantenia, or Becaso infantini. And some who be brave. And I mean as the money are not different from Asantini as your language. Especially going for na mokoto to omo language na influence mo language. Most of the language that can people speak now wasa awowi all of them. Aya go language because they were the first settlers. Baby I no more. Baby I no more. And it will kaka safo from na me ka for Francesca we different from me. We are all the same broad. As long as you classify yourself as an Akan, now you would the same obisio group efrimu. Why did you feel bitter? Why are you bitter against the Asante people? Why? And then your brothers. And then your own blood. Are they not from the same family with you anymore? What is all this? Why? Nakamun yenyamu fante for ase. Azi wo fie oye. Ase azi wo fie oye. Enti BPO fie dam. Adekasie na kanfo ye wo na ye nya na oda ye buhiem epele awo edo ho ka politics fo ho na o se damade na akanfo nyina wa ye kakakaza amaye no empa ni pabonesem ene edi o ya no anono ni be o hu me wo church say o ye mfantini. Where does it come from? Meme ya ayaguna ni mimi hu am say me Asante. Where does it come from? Where is all this straight towards each other? Abraham no nyina free na ba akoye from na ba. Why? Where does he end here? And he for the baby said me no me no be atamfo. Because you do not have understanding. And tiase awunyanti. When did Asante and Fanti become enemies? Even twins, omucho mohoko. And therefore, they fought, but they made sure to reconcile themselves. Adia bay na te bayera ho mamu a efiri so abete bayera ho. Why? Obedwiri ha na ana ye bunofo ana efa nkusi ai mokura de mo fama semfa firi ni paso. I put it to you because you kura de obi anya obone wona wo say waniate. In what way? When I say after the master, in what reason? What sort of the reason? Why not chia bababo? And I want natural say what day. We are running into intimidate for 4 years. Are you not being stupid? Yeah, one nabo wama ajima bedu misleading all of you, and we are ready. Me, there be a mekasa, and I'll repeat it and repeat it again. Until I survive as a person, every sensible account person will begin to reason. Every sensible account person will begin to find their roots. Every sensible account person will begin to connect. And all this noise, yeah, somebody like Nanajima Bedu has been taking advantage of our lack of understanding and lineage and genealogy, taking advantage of the meek and the youth. Shame unto people like him. Shame unto people like him. You wouldn't believe this guy is an Asante. This Ajima Bedu guy. He is a typical Asante. Even his name comes straight from Mensia. And now he can stand in public and declined and lied. At say a papa Muama who quiet do munya sayama. Bangikas a bad many bad before bass on you. Penny and who is Asante? Who is he a king since you become bitterness? And Asante is not king. I have been telling Ghanaians. Papa Penny Mutisam. What time are you got it? What time are they sorry? And you brain out the two. What time are the home? What time are the babajum? What time are the casa? What time are the I draw nipple here? Nankuraka was a year trouble a tenacity. Nanka, ye a friend say, yes, ye moon, ye quaffy, now quaffy, I can't make. Dormaahene, ye quaffy on Jacanibia, or any bra. Naba bomo bushi a what the man woman do quaffy, mania fe, can ya fe, Ajimabedu, can ya fe? He pub 170. Better not want to pop and move a teacher nipem. Abra wouldn't sadia, what can I throw and I done would add any pa. Now we are canny, now ma, Ajimabedu misleadua. Why am Quasia de pa, what's it? Busawana nanum, coffee, and Nashishim, the Busababy of Fiddy. And my name mislead you. I'm our own chance, kind of one cast will be a phone cocoon. Now be a great mistake. Was if one year that because a moja and torn one moja so red. Most say papa, and then who I have postponing and when you be you. And an anonymous conya. Yes, I'm conyana and an anonymous down no bushim. Yeah, na yeldi, ye obey political demarcation. As an anonymous conya tutum. And a deal way back. Ono na no baba obi na tutu ntoma sa baba we de matama menya ne hwe di matem to me hu di matem owi na chire Ajimabedu kwatena bro regional house of chief I ka se na ha ye media na ho nya ne dia ara na mo fa ne kokoto wa jajeje papa jeje so unim koto kwan. Now, Rahusem, a woman say, when him said, Bra, what cast us a new year, no? And now, then chum one be. I gave you a friend of Diana and him, or Flantima, no constant coso goon. So on Macassan coso 50 cents. Namunina Modi ever bama coma, may say, Nanano to meet yase. What could be a casa chessica? No cassetiano, Chawdy, Nebeba. It sounds Asante mine, a yaka mine. Yen nanano de Margaret, ye. Yen nanano de Margaret, ye. E Crobia can yet chiribia is a chenese, yet bebwaka man coso, nanam papa umumu. A brony pan and nanum beton fa with ye mabruni. And intina Asante fubu ye. See a mamon ye. Yen Crobi in the so. Bonnie Ben Asante foye, moody slave with 2 on so. Asante for him for Asante for participating with slavery more and yan correct as some bit me truck a homa and I'm more bit to history. No matter say Asante for no me babu slave trade mo. Huh? Edi na nie na Asante for involve slave trade mo. Edi enti na abra na obo di nkra be di ja ma hene. Ama opoku ale odi kan ekotu share ne so. Eye sikadwa na oye nko replica no ase enseso na oye ne nko da bi na ono sa tonko awo. Ko bi se obi biara. Na omo tonko wo Jama state. Be bi e fro ho sampa no. Ho na ono tonko a. Omo to won ma na omo do omo ko sarega. Enu nti ana ma suma hene. Ebedi sa konkonsa no e de kire Otumfuo poku ade. Amokotu share won so egu Jama state no. Adi krabra so saa ne baye. Asomo kan dia no makan ba akopɛ saane ena Jama afo ko yesikagya ena omo yesikagya no Otumfuo se ena Asante hene se sikagya no yanya ne replica yanya ne nsaso to ma ye ne nsaso mko tisho omo so nyesa enkodwa na ekoso ho no edi enti ena bra achimabo akwa hene ye se okokrepe nana fofi amananko nana kwabra nana kwabra osai kwabra si bebo nsubere so edi na si ye adanti na nana achimabo akwa hene etamu eni pensia so wode koje akode owie ye ana omoma na akode bro so no tam nipa edumienu ekoma abrofo enu nti na Asante kotu share so because asoma for asoma obu ochi wonu kunwono mosia mabakwasem ye na munyansemu na mudie no sa omo agi akama ne si won na omo ne yede wo yetasi won so Asante kode nkyerasa esa dia na me ankasa me nana me twetwe munche me moja na ne ntim jakari oya Asante man na oye nipa na sa abre no motete eho me form ya Asante menti enu na mo no form me Asante mase ani esa no de bed anu na bo pontem ti ase no o ma form ya Asante man amfa kokko nti adenja esa se na bo pontem ti ase no onyo mo sakasaka won fo obi gire wonye obi adamude won se obi so o ma mani nyina de odo ana som no da so na ntim de karba na nhyɛ so na hanta ne ma na ekoso ana ma o mo kike da Asante e de ko ti adenkyeraman ye nyina maja baako ade baako ena mo de mo political demarcation for more na mo siyasa administration purposes aso mo de kike emu ena kanfo ne akan ne akan mo ahemfo bi o ma dwene wo form ato mo my dear because of a political colors I sink the image of a can and the minimum ya ohane ye banta obitimi kasa onu firi gwanfie ebia wonya wanfie ni aya gurani nti most often me humo san crofon say wonya me busuani me obi odi machiache bi anim me o kasa wo ofi danchira me say wo ye di ani o kasa me so ebretu ni me catch you straight ja wonya busuani because danchira fo afraid de fo no ya gurani ti wo ye ebretu ni wonya busuani eto obi ma no se me firi wanfie me timu sa wo firi wanfie kuro be so na nanu modi atono mbo ojiana ni meka se wonya busuani asase ate so no kote so kwa eza asase no eye aguna fo ya asase me kodi di wanfie ni atamda because me wadwene mabusuani me kodi di mabusuani atam wuwunti anagema badunti menya sam wose no senti na wo so hwehwe babi a wo fie na wabusuafo no motete Asante ni infantini eyedin uni pa ba be na we na ha wo nyina suntwa adai na Asante echina Asante ade echi Asante bosom ya Asante afia Asante from 1600 Asante so na akon pa ade achi aka ma no si ho aya na ya me bia Asante na shinipa se shaka mani munyam Asante na kwakum wakon na sane na meka Togola no war Togola ntokwa Asante ko ye no emfie miensa ne die 3 good years 3 solid years on kwatia for mo ko agofo o mo sere Dutch for baye after the Portuguese tra Dutch for baye no Dutch for be dia dance Dutch for be Troy say ordinarily a calm man or a dark skin color or a very wide muzzles or a tall but 6 feet and above. But yet here, ye masagigeti Asantinti. Mwaka for watching Becase, I can't Asante for Tinti, and Name Pacho. Bretuni no war bono mantable on your wa. Oh, what been a waffle. Brekum for ya kwana for. Brekum for Omoya Prana for. Asokora Asante asokora mampon, and Yasokore Efijase. All nyina ya kwana for. Into Mbacho. Omo be Pierre Asante baby a politically ever to a Bruno. Baby a politically ever to a Bruno. Betty or no baby or no Asante region the old here. Obitim bet now no akase. Otumfuo has uni nehine wa Asante region. Are you for real? Is your brain working? Your brain, Juma. What is Asante region? Our Hinifa. Emrabemu. He only works in the political rhythm. Asante region one here. Huh? And you catch a community so you vote region call. None is us in the guano and young afford it. Catch a community say. I have no CBO voter region only because I do want to vote region. I'm going to avoid every so in the room. You see? This stupidity at this end, it have to be stopped. So Asante region. I wouldn't prefer say. This region now can once a politics for mobile now we are vegetarian. You know it. Obitim kase I made a free central region into by photo infantini. Is it at a I see ni better infantini. Infantino crowd catch the more. As I did 44 and I said 1.4. Infantino Mukomwa. One more me Asante for the dorsal. It is so sad. Obusan say ofini was here. I mean if I mean an animal or migrated from Kwamai. Say Kwamai didn't sabe kumasiniti. Kwamai didn't sabe kumasintino. Most of them do not even know. I mean now. No now migrated from a Kwamano. And I ain't tona and ebon. Me adeshineni. Eundema. Me adeshineni. Only saw the Shinano Cran 1 year. I will only say, so your this year. On watching who this or your this year. I will go for me at the chef one. You are free Kumasan. Only from Adeshinafo. Adeshinafo at this year. Nafo. Adeshin and Nanamono one. She from Adeshinana. Additional for you free Kwamai Kumasi or me additional for I will call for the your Margaret Yano. Two so more see additional for additional for Naka. Crofway for the mention. Kwamai for you Fusame, Minna for Kwamai, I may be additional. As all Chow say. What can't ask when I catch us on comments here? Non compare, you may be your own. As a damn you pay about better now. Internet do no dear Santa Fortune. One another would not tell me. Bra. One another 1700 or born a cat him. This is 1600 or more cat him now do a matter. Huh? One another more. From 1588 to 1599, Kwamai. One and the one tia kunya kesi yesu. Na wudu o matam sa. Awaji tunde e adeshinani. Enyim da adeshina ya ta adeshe nana efo. Ye won me tu bate fu Kwamai e na ekumase. No na akokọ ba bia mo ya awekofo. Tie mo ya adeshe nana no. Krachi. I was say bazi e ya twa bredin. Eya twebred ni wo krom ne eyesum nya Asante mado o ono so dem krom so Asante mem ho awona na yimu nyina afresum nya Asante ma awa twa abadefo amesum na nan mo ofra danse ahensan ye ne ye brotufo atwedanfo na otewo se un bibi azema atiade munya de mo ye no munya nsem hu na mudie no na mo ni pabia didia tam ahotuo watana me wuta me sasa me Asante ne woni me sabi o moja wo ya no no ni wuta me Awa nyim de we nyim ade ha nyim de edi ye na natem ehye na roba enyim de ye na ehye na roba enyim de mazen ameme ye agwani awa ya na no ni aba asem na wo de awo agu ana no ni etumi ehye me ma roba abra ye nyire ye moja kro mfante na kra ma ha chese se die wako ama ukasa asesa enya buanfo no wai boa na akasa no wai slide cheka woda yi ana amesumizin na meka chenyim da different from ame aya enya sa ne no emoja ba ko abusuya ba ko migration ya migrati ade ba semuni a aya migration keke nananya hwasokode fo ebi abetena hwe bantima fo ebi akotena word ma se he kwatwuma fo bantima fo no mkotena hwe ayi the same family hwe ayi asunya fo amokonfo he wanchifo amokonfo he nkrasafo amokonfo. So what is going on here? What is all this about? What is all this about? Huh? And now ayufubia bopo every tete in him say dwanafo nyina fresu ja fatemaso ade achi ya ebisi dwanafo nyina freakom ha akomu so boko ye hamuda na siwa akom na sabo dwanafo wo ba nwura na ye hamuda na siwa akom akom establish akom 1680 ha ye establish akom 1680 nana anza sersereku wo ye ohina otosu mienu awa akom ohina otosu mienu awa akom na somebody akom for me small boy ebiana for me small boy mo ye small boy kra because as 1680 na kwa ama for additional for 1680 no ko mo ne mo ko ewo sintre so 1680 no mo ne mo ko sintre so 16 if I say 79 1680 no said to every akom bae etitam be na mo ko tena akom ho ha ezase asan wo said to call na fe no hina wodi kan wa akom wu na ansa sreku abedi ade 1680 it is all mess up, a lot of mess up everywhere. The calculation is not right. The calculation is missing everything.